Did you know you could literally stand in one spot and create one of the happiest moments of your life? Thanks to the DJi Goggles V2, your creativity is the only limit to how much fun you can have with it. If you thought the DJi FPV goggles were just for piloting, how wrong you are. Stay with us as we get into how the DJi Goggles V2 can make your life more exciting. Piloting. One primary phrase used to describe the experience and touch the DJi goggles brings to people is an immersive experience. Hardly any gadgets or tech can give you that kind of fun the DJi Goggles gives. This set of goggles is unlike any other due to the variety of activities, length of time, and excitement it provides its users. The DJi FPV goggles is mainly associated with flying drones, but it offers so much more. As though piloting a drone was not fun enough, the DJi goggles have become one of the most invaluable drone accessories to greet the drone market. Piloting has never felt real like the DJi goggles make it. Like a real cockpit experience, the DJi V2 puts you in the front seat of your drone's flight and lets you take in the whole experience. And that is one of the moments you get to experience its immersive signature. About its immersive experience, there are other areas you can get to experience that, but we will get to that in a moment. One of the best things the DJi Goggles does for you is the opportunity to extend the fun to family and friends. Can you imagine that? A piece of technology that enhances your relationships and deepens them. Staying within a radius of 1 mile, they can watch the live feed while you pilot the drone. Hopefully, with enough morale from them, you will not crash the drone. Whether you are using the Mavic Pro or the Phantom 4 line, the new Mavic Air, or the Spark, the dual 1080 display, built-in touchpad, speakers, and internal sensors will work together to optimize your piloting experience. This embeds incredible memories you will not forget anytime soon. What's more, you can also fly a racing drone using the DJi Goggles V2. To be able to leave out this exciting activity, you will need to acquire the newer DJi Goggle Racing Edition. This version comes with additional AUKA sync tech and enhanced connectivity. Its latency is also reduced to 50 milliseconds to ensure that you get around the track safely. Please subscribe to our channel to join our growing community. Hit the subscribe button today for a front row seat to our next informative upload. Watch movies. Your home life just got more exciting with the DJi Goggles. Besides the cockpit experience the DJi Goggles gives you in piloting your drone, you can also delve into another fun-loving feature the goggle offers, which is granting you an immersive cinematic experience. The extra advantage of watching movies on this head-mounted display is the lack of distractions and total concentration you get on the movie. You can binge watch through not less than half a season of your favorite TV show with a single charge. Otherwise, you can watch your top 3 movies before recharging the batteries, thanks to its 6-hour battery life. The best part about this is that it is not hard to set up for your VR movie watch. Further down this video, we will talk more about ways your DJi Goggles can help you put the extra touch in using your device monitors, but its setup is easy regarding movies. For your phone, you only need to plug in your adapter. When it comes to connecting to your PC, you can connect an HDMI cord to both the computer and the goggles, and it will immediately begin to mirror your screen. Also, you want to get a long cable that can allow you to move freely. Playing games. The various presentations the DJi FPV goggles serve as a medium for totally puts a twist on those traditional devices we use daily. For instance, your gaming activity immediately goes up a notch the moment you connect the goggle to your console and use it as a screen. As Jonathan Feist of Drone Rush puts it, the hard part about playing video games in these goggles? Learning to look with your eyes instead of turning your head, the immersion engulfs you. You can equally use the goggles as an extended monitor or external display for other devices, such as your computer, phone, or DSLR camera. With an HDMI cable and the proper settings, you can adjust the display to fit your preference for the optimal experience. Complete your explorative journey by checking out this video on how you can make the most out of Air 2S in just 10 days. See you in our next upload.